Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I just want to show you these awesome solar walkway lights. This is actually my second pair I just bought, and I love these things. They're amazing, bright, and last pretty much most of the whole night into the morning. If you want to check out this awesome product, I'll leave the link down in the description below for you so you can check out the best deal. So here's everything you get in the box. Basically, to put together, you're going to take out your stake, which is shoved into this cylinder right here. And I just kind of laid it out in the order that you can put it together. But you take the stake part, shove it into the cylinder, and then you take your battery and shove it into that top part of the cylinder. Then you take the part right over here where the battery's at and screw it into the bottom housing of your LED/solar panel. All right, so I have them all assembled here. Let's go ahead and put them in the ground. So here's how it looks during the daytime. I have a couple of them lined up right over here. And then coming around to the flower bed area, I have a couple of these laid out right along there. And then some over here by these pathway stones. So I have one there, there, right back there. So right in the side of my home, I have a little extended driveway. I have 5 of them lined up right over here. I'll show you how those look at nighttime. But yeah, really simple to assemble and stick it in there. No worries about wiring. It's just battery and solar powered. All right, so it's almost nighttime. Hello, Nikki. And here's what the lights look like. So sun's just setting just now, and the lights already came on. So let me show you what it looks like from this angle here. Here's another view from a different angle here. And I'll get up close so you can see what it looks like from the top. And this is what it looks like from the side. And the LED light's actually like right over here in the bottom part. All right, time to check out these lights that I installed this afternoon. It's now nighttime, and this is what it looks like. I love the projection that it creates on the sidewalk. And there's the other ones I installed over there. And then these that I have all along the flower bed. Come around over here so you can see the other pathway. Here's one more view. So that's it for today's video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.